Hey everyone, welcome back to How to 360. Today, we're baking up something crispy, cheesy, and oh so delicious, bacon hash brown bake. Before we start, drop a comment below and tell us where you're watching from. We love seeing our community from all around the world. And as always, the recipe is in the description below. Here's what you'll need to make this hearty breakfast bake. You'll want 6 cups of frozen hash browns thawed, 8 slices of bacon cooked and crumbled, and 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. You'll also need half a cup of diced onions, 1 cup of milk, 4 large eggs, and half a cup of sour cream. Don't forget a little salt and pepper to taste, and if you like, some green onions for garnish. In a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs, milk, sour cream, salt, and pepper. Now, pour that creamy mixture over your hash brown mix and stir gently until everything's coated. Okay, so now, just pour the mixture into your greased baking dish and spread it out nice and even. Next, bake it uncovered for about 35 minutes, or until it's all golden and bubbly on top. Once it's done, let it cool for 5 minutes. Seriously, just a little patience here. Then slice it up and get ready to dig in. Oh, and if you want to take it up a notch, feel free to top it with some green onions. And that's it. You've got a bacon hash brown bake that's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or honestly, anytime you're craving comfort food with a crispy edge. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to How to 360, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss another recipe.